If you think you are determined and focused, here's something more stubborn than you, and all of us. It's the stubborn belly fat, that lives rent-free in our bodies. We never get to know when it arrives, but once it starts showing a visible difference to our body is when all our SOS alarms go off. And then begins the journey of burning those fats. Today's video will discuss, drink a cup for 3 days and your belly fat will melt completely without diet. Morning drinks that will aid your fat burning journey. Warm water with lime and honey. This is the oldest trick, or drink in this case, in the book, and millions of people swear by it. Let's be honest, we have all done this at some point in our lives, but probably stopped due to whatever number of reasons. Lemon is loaded with antioxidants. When you squeeze the juice of half a lemon into warm water, you get a glass full of those antioxidants, and pectin fibers, that not only aid in burning fat, but also flushes out toxins from the body. Add a dash of honey to it for taste, and its healthy fats, and you have the perfect, easy morning drink. Drink it on an empty stomach at least 20 minutes before breakfast, for best results. Are you going to try this drink? Let me know in the comment section below.